Welcome to this new vlog. Now we left Donostia, San Sebastian behind us, and we move on in Basque
Country. So this vlog is all about Basque Country. So we hope you'll enjoy it.
Come along with us.
We're An and Yves, and this is our self-converted fan Boris.
Together we're looking forward to epic adventures, and we're glad you want to come with us.
So buckle up, it's going to be a heck of a ride. So far, this morning, first morning in Basque Country, outside of Donostia, it's a fail.
Yep.
Like Anne said before, it's extremely busy. Hardly any supermarkets to find. Now we are in a city in Eibar, and very strange. Every supermarket here has a limited parking space, restricted to 2 meters and 2 height. We are 265. It's like they don't want campers or big cars here.
There's even not place enough for their cars. Now we have to check out where we can go next.
Away from the coast and away from the people. It's extremely busy. It's packed. It's kind of unsafe, I think.
Not fun.
One of those days.
We won't stay here. We parked at the side of the road. We can only open the back door and only the driver's seat door because there's no place. But that's van life too.
Yeah.
After our lunch, we're happy to leave this place and continue our drive to find a camping spot away from the people, somewhere in nature. See, this was the place we thought.
Managed to turn the van, but as you can see, it's all fenced off.
You can't park next to it, no. No, it's not a fancy fence. No.
Wow.
No.
Idyllic place next to the road.
Yeah. That's the idyllic places they have here.
Don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do here in Basque Country. There's no room for 5 more people.
No.
Even for a small car, there's no room for a small car here. It's so crowded, so packed in this province. It's unbelievable.
No space at all.
For nothing, even not for a bicycle.
We thought we would leave the coast, it would be better. But not even the small cities inland are packed too.
As if we hadn't had enough bad luck for one day. It looks like we have a flat tire. My left tire at the back, I think, is flat.
We leave as soon as possible this idyllic place in search of a parking spot in the nearby village. There we will call for help to fix our flat tire. We really have bad luck. We have a flat tire at the back here for sure. And Yves is calling the insurance company to check if they can come to repair it.
Our insurance company in Belgium will contact their person in Spain and they will call us back. They're going to tell us how long it will take to be here. So the machinery is turning. Just have to wait. We have a spare wheel with us, so in a worst case scenario I can do it myself, but I think the bolts are very tight. We pay for it, so they can come. Professional
Will they come
can do
today?
it. Let's hope they come today. If not, we have our bed with us, so we can wait, no problem.
At the same time, I had some Spanish people coming to me and telling me which things, what places I have to see in Basque Country, and where there are parking places as well. But I think it's a crowded area. We'll see.
Still waiting. It's now almost 7 o'clock. It's 2 hours since I requested assistance from my insurance company in Belgium, and about 40 minutes ago we are contacted by a local company. They said they would be here in 30 or 40 minutes, so probably they can arrive any minute now. Hopefully they can help us out. If not, we'll see what will happen tomorrow. If we are helped, we don't know yet what we are going to do. Stay here, spend the night here. It's nice. Would be nice to park here and maybe do a little hike tomorrow, or move on back to the coast, because we got some tips from locals and they showed us a lighthouse and a beach where we can park the van, and they said it's quiet, not a lot of people around. So we'll see. It all depends from when the tow truck or when the mechanic will come. In the meantime, you just wait. Can't do anything, so just wait. I have to look. The mechanic will be here probably at the main street, but he can't find the parking lot because he's probably not from here. Let's see. There he is. I was just in time on the main street to catch him. Let's see if he can help us.
There's sure a hole in the tire, so that was in it.
This is the culprit.
The culprit. And now the technician is working at it.
Two happy campers helped, and we just decided we're going to stay here for the night and see tomorrow what we are going to do. We don't know yet.
At these moments you're very happy you have insurance.
Yeah.
When you have a flat tire or you have a problem with the car, you just call them and they come to you. It's
just for your own peace of mind. Yeah. I guess it's around 80 euro, forgot, maybe cheaper, I don't know, for a year.
Maybe it will be more expensive because you can't travel the whole year with it.
Ah, yeah. Normally you can only go 3 months in a row abroad with this insurance, so I have to pay a little upgrade, which I'm going to do for sure, because you just saw how easy it is to have one. Guys, never leave home without an extra insurance.
Or you can fix yourself.
Or fix it yourself. It's up to you.
Every morning, clean up.
Morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
Hopefully today is a new start. Better day of yesterday. Still air in the tire. And it's still overcast. See, top of the mountain is still covered in clouds. Going to have breakfast and leave this place back to the coast, although it's still Sunday, so it can be crowded. Going to check out the places those local people told us yesterday. The lighthouse, a beach. So let's see what the day will bring. And in the meantime, impressive work of Anne.
I don't know, but it's
Almost ready?
Yeah, look here. Perfect size. Almost. No.
Almost ready. It's hard to believe if you look around you, all those green hills covered in clouds. It's hard to believe it's only a 15-minute ride to the lighthouse, to the coast. So hopefully, because it's not really good weather, it will be calm over there, not a lot of people around. Same story as yesterday. City is packed, no place, no signs where to drive. So apparently even Google Maps wants us to turn off somewhere in a one-way street. So now we have to circle. What's this?
Walking.
Concrete walkers. So now we have to turn back all the way, circle in the mountains again. My feeling about Basque Country is not good, not at all.
We decided to park in the city center.
Out of the city center.
Out of the city center. Where a lot of mobile homes and other cars, and walk to the lighthouse ourselves.
It's full of RVs and vans here. It's incredible.
And they all stayed here for the night, because you see some are still sleeping.
Yeah. Very scenic place. Almost as scenic as our place last night. Judging the amount of RVs and vans on that parking lot, it must be something special here. So let's see what this city has in store for us.
Liquejo is a nice fishing village located on the coast of Biscay. It is located halfway between San Sebastian and Bilbao. The old town isn't big, but great to explore on foot.
And we can see the lighthouse in the distance.
It's a 20 minutes,
20?
30 minutes walk one way. But it's cool, so we can make it.
You want to do it?
No?
It's in between the houses, it's not in nature. It's a residential
We
area.
have to follow the roads to there.
Lazy Sunday.
Oh, lazy Eve. Need exercise. Stay healthy.
Yeah, that's what they say.
You're getting old. I'm the one getting older losing teeth, and you're the one getting old getting lazy. We don't end up going to the lighthouse. We choose to have a coffee in one of the many cafes overlooking the port. This is a great place to watch the people and observe their daily life.
You're not going to stay here. Go to one of the other beaches, Laga Beach, 30 minutes from here. Chances are slim we find a parking spot there. We'll see, because it's Sunday afternoon, sun is out, so a lot of locals will go to the beach. If we don't find a parking spot, well, we prepared for that, and then we move on to our spot to sleep around Bilbao.
Even as we were prepared, it's still disappointing to see all the car parks completely full. But we have luck this time. A car just left the parking place. Are you ready?
Oh yes, finally luck was on our side. Locked. Locked. Go.
The back is locked too?
Yeah.
Oh la la, beautiful streets.
See, park just across the street from the beach.
Playa de Laga is located in the Urdaibai Nature Reserve. This is one of the most breathtaking beaches along the Biscay coast. The Laga waves attract a lot of surfers to practice their skills.
Beach has a spectacular setting. See? This rock formation. See a skull.
Showers. I prepared some coffee in the van and I have some leftover cookies.
Leftover? It's 3/4 of a package. It's not what I call a leftover.
For me it is. Let's try.
It's coffee. Oh, it's hot.
That's normal for coffee.
Chocolate chip cookies.
From the little.
Lazy Sunday. Told you. Walking up and down the shoreline after our dinner, waiting for the sun to set.
A nice evening, not too hot.
By the way, we decided to spend the night here at the beach. We'll see if they turn us away, but for now we are enjoying the beach.
It's just a parking spot next to the road.
Yeah, nothing special, but direct access to the beach, so we can see the sunset. And tomorrow, nice walk in the morning, and after that,
To the bird.
pancakes!
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 Pancakes, yes! How can I forget pancakes?
And the story continues.
Yeah.
Basque Country, great destination. It's now 1 o'clock in the morning, almost 1 o'clock in the morning, and the police just came knocking on every van, every RV. It's prohibited to park here. Go away.
It's from the, I think from the government here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We have to clear our things here, put everything away, and look for another spot to park. 1 o'clock. Great job.
So now it's 1:30 something morning.
Almost.
Yeah. And we have to park somewhere. Oh. Hopefully they won't send us away here. Good news, we could sleep in until the morning. I hope you liked this video, although it's not the most positive one we've made. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. This would mean a lot to us. See you next Sunday. Thanks for watching.